Oh, believe it or not, I've just seen a waymo. So, like I say, I'm at Fort Point, and there's a waymo taxi come down here now. There's absolutely no driver in it, and these girls are getting in. They must have ordered it. It is amazing. Absolute no driver. So there we go. They're off, and as I say, completely driverless taxi. So let's have a look at the Golden Gate Bridge. Looking absolutely amazing again from here today. You can't get a more spectacular view than we're getting here at Fort Point. I was going to go in Fort Point, but unfortunately it's closed today. So that's something we won't be doing. It is just absolutely amazing here. Just walking to the end here at Fort Point, and what people do, they jog and run, and they come to the end and touch the fence at the end, where we're just going to check out now. So that lady there, she's just walked to the end and she's touched the handprints, and there's paw prints as well, so if you wanted to, your dog could do that. And then we have got somebody fishing there. So let's have a look here. This is the dog print paws and the hand print paws, and then here we've got a lot of love locks again, and photographs. It says there no trespassing, so you can't go beyond this. Years ago, when I first started coming here, I did walk behind there, and then just something point out to you there. Look at the old chains that they used to have across. They were there last year, but obviously now, I'll show you in a minute, they've put all new fencing. I don't think you've been able to walk behind the points and the fort since 9/11. I think they did block it off then. Say, you've got all this new fencing here now. This has all been changed. They've moved all the metal rails and chains out and put this amazing new fencing. I don't know when that was actually done. It does look quite new. So let's just head back now towards the car, and we'll just get some more of the views as we get near the car again here, which is just parked here. So today it's a lot quieter. If you remember the other days, we did struggle to park. Look at the bay here, all the water. It looks beautiful as it hits the rock and it starts to foam and froth there. And there's the car, parked up, looking absolutely beautiful again. It's got our signs on, showing you what we do. Well, like I say, it does look really, really good. And look at the lead onto the bridge there with all the netting. It looks like they are doing some work on it there. Well, this is the main beautiful view you see as you stand there and you just admire the view of the Golden Gate Bridge. As I say, Daryl's walking across the bridge. I'm just waiting at Fort Point for him, but it's just an absolutely wonderful place to be and to wait. I could spend hours and hours down here. It's fantastic. The view is just absolutely incredible. So disappointed the fort's not open, else I would have gone in there and had a look today. Look at the big ship there coming in under the Golden Gate. Let's just zoom in and have a look at that for you. Quite a big cargo ship. And we've got some pictures there telling you about the structure of the Golden Gate. Doesn't the car look nice there with the Golden Gate Bridge behind it? Probably one of the best Chrysler Pacificas we've had. It only got just over 1,000 miles on it when we picked it up, but it's now well over 3,000 miles, so we have put quite a few miles on there. But very, very clean inside and out.